My stance, got him in my sights. Okay, here we go. That's automatic, bitch. It's semi. Semi only. You can't run over there. You're outside of the boundaries. Come over here. Now he's gonna shoot the trees like a little fag. Ow, you're actually hitting me. You're outside of the boundaries. You're gonna lose. Return to the battle zone. Get inside the boundaries. Get inside the boundaries. I'm gonna chase you down. He's actually hitting me, but I'm wearing so much shit that I can't feel it. You're out, come on. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, rate, and subscribe.